Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another product review video. Now today we're looking at the King's 15 litre centre console fridge. And before we just start looking at this thing, I'd like to just say that I paid for this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video and it was on special. These things normally sell for $249 and I picked it up for $129 on special a couple of days ago, and I believe they are still $129 at Four Drive Warehouse right now. Now other places sell these things, exact same fridge, just on a different branding, for well over $300. I've seen them for $349 for sale. So let's have a quick look at some of the specifications, then we'll get it out the box and we will test this out. We will see if it reaches its temperatures. We will see if it maintains the temperature. So this is not just an unboxing video. We will actually be testing this thing out to make sure it does work like it's supposed to. So here's the specifications. Internal capacity 15 litres or roughly 18 cans of drink. So that gives you some perspective on how large it is. It can run off 12 and 24 volt. Current is 4.1 amps at 12 volt or 2.1 amps at 24 volt. This is a rated current draw. Adjustable power cutoff. Dimensions external 560 by 240 by 375. So it is quite small, but this is the main reason I got it. There's the internal dimensions. Polypropylene body and lid, polyurethane insulation, and it comes with a 12-month or 1-year warranty. And it claims 10 degrees to minus 18 for the temperature range. And this is what the box looks like. So now we're going to take it out the box, have a close look at it, and then we'll start testing. Now here it is out of the box. It's got a nice King's logo there. It's got a tie-down point on the back here. King's logo on that side. And it's got a tie-down point here. It's got your control panel there, and it's got the plug where you plug in your power. Let's see what's inside. It's got a nice little rubber seal around there, which is nice. It's got a small chain there that stops this lid from flipping all the way back, which I also like. I think that's a good idea. And inside, you've got your cigarette lighter adapter, which is universal to King's. Every King's fridge seems to come with that. I've done reviews on 3 King's fridges now, and they all come with this power adapter. Now, this does not come with a adapter for PowerPoint, but you can buy those separately. Now, I have one here. This is an original one that came with my other 75 litre King's fridge. And that just plugs into your 240 volt PowerPoint, like your wall outlet. And this end just plugs into your fridge. And this is what the inside looks like. So you've got a small little compartment here, which I think you can stand some cans of drink up in there. That's what it looks like. And then you've got your main compartment here. Now I have plugged it into mains power using the power adapter that I already had. So let's turn it on and see how she goes. Okay, so what this is displaying now is the current internal temperature of the fridge. So when you first turn it on, or after it's timed out and you've just left it alone, it just displays the internal temperature. So you can set whatever temperature you like using your up and down button. So let's set it at around 3 degrees. And then once you leave it, it will switch over to the temperature that it is currently. So it's currently at 19 degrees. So it will probably be a little while. We'll give it half an hour or so to cool down, and then we'll come back and we will test it out. While we're waiting for it to cool down, I might as well show you how to set up your battery protection level. All you got to do is press your set button and it brings up your battery protection level. Now you got to be quick with this because as you can see, it just goes back to the temperature display. Let's go set. It's low, so we go up to medium protection and go up again to high protection, and you can go down and down. And then once you let it go, it just returns, and it is now set at low protection, which is 9.6 volt off cut. So the fridge will cut off at 9.6 volt, which is pretty flat for a starting battery of a car. You probably won't be starting your car at that level. So let's change it to a medium protection, which is that level there. And that's a 10.4 volt cutoff, which is still fairly low. And then you can also go next one, and you can go to high protection, which is a 11.1 volt cutoff. So it won't drain your battery past 11.1 volts, which isn't great for a normal starting battery of a car, but you might still be able to start your car. Now, I run mine on low protection because I use lithium batteries and a dual battery system. Now, I can't believe this. This is literally taking probably 10 minutes to reach 3 degrees. Well, hopefully it is 3 degrees inside. So let's test that and see how good this thing actually is. See if it is 3 degrees. So it's about 3.5, 3.4, 3.3, and that's near the compressor. Okay, here it goes, 3.2, 3.1, 3.1 degrees. And it says 3 degrees there. So it's done all right at 3 degrees. Let's give it a real test and put it all the way down to the lowest temperature. Now, it only really took about 10 minutes to get down to 3 degrees. 18 is the lowest. We'll come back and test it once it reaches minus 18 on the temperature indicator there. Now, this thing has hit minus 18 in probably less than 10 minutes from 3 degrees. That's amazing. It's probably because it's so small and because there's nothing in it, I guess. But it's went from 3 degrees when you just saw it a minute ago to minus 18, and it hasn't even been 10 minutes. That's really good performance. Let's see if it actually is minus 18 in there. You can see some ice forming there already, so let's see what the temperature actually is. Minus 18.7. Have a look at that. Depending where you point it, it shows even colder. Now, as you just saw, this thing also works great. This is the third King's fridge that I've tested. Now, I've tested this 15 litre console fridge in this video, and I've also got a video of a 30 litre fridge freezer, which works just as well as what this one does. And I also tested the 75 litre dual compartment fridge freezer from King's, and that also works well. Now, I've had the 75 litre one for a little while now. It's been on a few trips and it's been great. It's worked perfectly. And that is what gave me the confidence to buy this little guy here, which will be more of a daily use fridge. I'll be using this on little day trips to the beach, to go fishing, just for the day where you don't need a big 75 litre fridge. And I'll also be using this for work, keep drinks cold in summer, and also to keep my lunch cold if I have a cold lunch, if I bring a cold lunch to work, or something that requires cooling. So this is going to pay for itself really, really fast. Like I said, I only paid $129 for it, and I'm more than happy with spending $129 for this. This will pay for itself in no time. With me not having to buy, $4.50 bottles of water and $4 cans of Coke, etc., etc. I can just bring my own, keep my own drinks cold in here, and I'll be saving a lot of money that way. If you've had any experiences with these King's fridges, leave your comments down below. I'm always interested to hear whether people have the same opinion as what I have, or even if you've had a bad experience with one of these. And that way people watching this video can check out the comments, and they're not only seeing the good, they might also see some bad. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it interesting or helpful, do me a favour and give me a big thumbs up. It really does help out the channel. And if this is your first time here watching one of my videos, Make sure you smash that subscribe button because I've got a back catalogue of over 1,000 videos already uploaded to YouTube. So you've got plenty of videos there to watch, and there'll be plenty more videos coming up. I'm currently uploading a minimum of 3 videos every week. Uploads of Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Now, thanks for watching and bye for now.